Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can change the device theme of this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and tap on themes. Now you need to select more over here and tap on themes at the bottom left corner. Then click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, or select one of those colors. Now you can tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one and select free. Now tap on apply and wait. As you can see, when I click home button, theme of my smartphone has changed. But you can always go back into the default one by exiting settings, scrolling down and choosing themes again. This time tap on my themes though, click on classic default one and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!